Hello and welcome to Twice the FabFitFun. I'm calling it twice because I have not one, but two boxes to unbox. And the reason I have two is because I have a daughter who also likes this kind of thing. And I often will get things that we both like. And the boxes are very reasonably priced for the most part. They're about, I think they're $55 a month, or no, a season. And then you get over $250 worth of stuff. And most of the time, actually I've never had anything that I felt like I didn't get my money's worth. So the fall boxes are usually my favorite. And I love the actual boxes themselves. I think they're fun and I reuse them to send care packages. So I'm going to open this one first. And I'm just going to set it down here. And the first thing that you see is this FabFitFun magazine. And it has Megan Trainor on it. How she hopes to empower women. And now I'm going to have that song in my head. And then it also has a page or a double page spread that tells you what you get in your box. And there are things that you can add. There are also things that you get that you don't know which one of which you're going to get. So the total value for this box is anywhere between $211 and $345. $346. But let's just go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Ooh, I got a beautiful pair of Bubble Bar earrings. I actually like that brand. I have a really pretty necklace that's Bubble Bar. So let me find this on here. It's number 3B. Bobble Bar ear crawlers. From the intricate embellishments to modern silhouette, these earrings are absolutely showstoppers. And these retail for $34. And then I'll go into what I could have gotten with the next box to see if I got anything different. But those are really pretty. And I guess because they are ear crawlers, I guess you put it in your ear and you let it go up. I don't really know how to wear those, but I don't think you wear it dangling. Although I bet you could, why not? But so there's that, and I'm going to keep those. And then I got Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks by Wander Beauty. And it looks like that, I guess. So let me find that. Oh, it's on this third page. There's a whole third page in here. So they are gold. And it says Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask Pack. There's 6 of them. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. These retail for $25. So 6 pairs. So not just 3 pairs, not 6 total, 6 pairs. And then I have a beautiful Stay Warm plush, Stay Warm and Stylish ultra soft plaid scarf. And it's navy and cream. It really is pretty, and it really is soft. So let's see what this one has to say about it. Plush, ultra soft plaid scarf. Nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. $75 retail. There's no way in the world I would spend $75 on it, but it is very soft. Colors are navy, charcoal, and white, and it's 70% polyester, 30% viscose, but it is very nice. I like it a lot. I might keep it, or that would make a really nice gift too. So I'm gonna wait and see what else I have. I have this Aveda damage repair or damage remedy daily hair repair. That might be a good thing for me. It is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from healing up to 450 degrees. Retails for $30. So Shake well, work a small amount of product into hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. It's a leave-in treatment. So that's nice. I will definitely try that. And I believe that that's in every box. Yes, that is in every box. And this is also in every box. It is Body Souffle, Humankind. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. It retails for $18. I'm assuming that it's like a body lotion, body cream. Ooh, it smells nice. It feels nice. I thought it was going to be real fruity. It's not. It's a little lotiony smelling, which I don't know exactly what that lotiony smelling means, but to me it means like a generic kind of lotion smell, like not really fruity, not really flowery. I mean, it smells nice. It's just not anything, I don't think it's anything too special. I wouldn't spend $18 for the size of a bottle. I would go to Bath & Body Works and get something there, but it is nice. I mean, it feels really good, and it says vegan and cruelty free, so that's really nice. So I don't know, it's nice. If it was on sale, maybe. Ooh, what did I get in here? This looks fun. Oh, that looks so cute. It looks like little sugars. And everybody gets this. This is exfoliating sugar cubes in a juice cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in a shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. $16 retail. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. It's like a lime snow cone. Sweet and citrusy. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. Well, that is exciting. I'm excited about that, and everybody gets that. And it retails for $16. I don't know if I said that. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes. So $2 a cube is pretty pricey in my opinion, but let's see. Then I got some detox pads. And this says Nassive MD detox pads. Just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. And it retails for $45. I'll try them. Oh, I thought that was it. There's one more thing in here, maybe. Skin Love. It is a body boost gel formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin, and it retails for $45. That will definitely be for my daughter. So I'm just double checking, making sure I got everything out of this box, and I did. So now let's open the second box. See, there's already lots of different things. So let's see. The first thing I see in here is this. It is cut from cloth slim striped wallet with 7 credit card slots, an ID window, and 1 full-length bill compartment. This wallet is just as functional as it is chic. And it retails for $60. And it's in a nice little dust bag. And it's black and white striped with a button or a snap closure, and then it opens this way, You can put money down here. And then it has the 7 credit card slots. That doesn't open at all. So it's just those, the 7 credit card slots, and then this. And then it closes up and should snap and is thin and nice, and there's no way in the world I would ever spend whatever they said on it. What was this? $60. No way in the world, but it's all right. It's fine. I'll probably gift it. It's not really my style, but it's all right. So there's that. And then, so this one I could have gotten this or the detox pads. So these were the 2 different things that I got. This one was 60, this one was 45. I will try these. The other things I could have gotten were a Kate Spade lunch tote that retails for $30, or a twine cheese board with plate, which also retailed for $30. So I think we got the 2 best things in that category, in my opinion. So here is I could have gotten the lunchbox, the wipes, this, or this. So there's that. So the next thing I got is also different. This is a pare. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it is a dual salt and pepper mill. Twist and shake your way to perfectly seasoned dish with this refillable ceramic salt and pepper grinder. Retails for $21.95. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to keep that for myself or give it to my daughter, who is in her first apartment. Has a removable dust cap. It's very nice. And I think the price point is good too, $21.95. I would probably spend that in the store. So this is what it looks like. You open it up, you can twist. That's pretty cute. I probably will give this to Katie just because it looks a little sophisticated and neat, and I could see how a young woman just getting started in her career would think that was pretty sophisticated and cool. So maybe I can get her some nice pepper from Pinsy's and some nice salt and give that to her. I think she'd like that. So that's pretty cute. So I could have gotten that. Let's see. So that's 4. I could have gotten the dual salt and pepper mill, the hair towel wrap, the mini eye essentials, which is I think what I got. No, that's not what I got. Oh, mini eye essentials. It's like makeup shadow crayons, or the body boost gel. So okay, so it was this. I got the body boost gel, which I will also give to her for pre-workout, and then the salt and pepper grinder is the other thing that I got. So I got these 2, and I could have gotten these little crayons or this hair towel, which, you know what, I just ordered Katie a hair towel, so it's kind of okay that I didn't get that because now she can get something else. All right, the next thing in this box is the body souffle. So everybody gets that. I mean, it is nice. I'm not going to complain. And then she also got this, or the other box has a lotion tonic facial toner from Skin & Company. So let me find this. Okay, so this is number 5. It's a Truffle Therapy Skin Toner, retails for $30. Gentle enough for all skin types, this toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. Retails for $30. So I got the eye mask pads, and this was another option the other two options for this were an aromatherapy deep relax roller ball, like a perfume thing. It's 5A. Oh, there's only two. That was the only other thing. So this was the only other thing that we could have gotten and didn't. So I don't know. I think that's okay. Don't know if I'll use it or not. Looks like she got a, or I keep saying that, but this is a mystery choice. So the mystery choice was part of number 1. So instead of the scarf, there was either the scarf, a yoga mat, a ceramic styler, a mobile advanced teeth whitening kit, or the mystery item. So it's either the teeth whitener, a mystery item, this yoga mat, or this ceramic styler. So this one came with the mystery item, and it is a self-esteem beauty sleep serum, a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acid. Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin. Focus on fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. And then also a deep exfoliating mitt. Made with a unique fabric texture, this mitt visibly removes surface layers of buildup and dead skin instantly. Soften skin with a shower, bath, or steam in water for 5 or 10 minutes. Squeeze the excess, turn off the water, and squeeze away excess water from the mitt and leave the mitt slightly damp. Remove dead skin cells by exfoliating using vigorous up and down motions until the dead skins roll away. Well, that sounds kind of cool. I might use both of those. So that was a pretty good mystery gift. And then she also got these, which I can't wait to use. And the damage remedy. And then she also, or this box also has this Cosmetics Pure C. This is, instead of the bubble bar earrings, this has nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C, a dose of 100% absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. Add a dose of this to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This retails for $54. Holy schmoly. And it says it's vitamin C mixing crystals. Well, that'll be interesting. I will definitely try that. And I think that's everything. So that was number 3. So we could have gotten the earrings, or this, or 3B, which is what? Oh no, 3A. The Better Skin Company Lava Magic. Where is that? Oh, right down here. This 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask is enriched with nourishing ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. So that's that one. So I didn't get that. Instead, I got the earrings and this. So kind of exciting. It's a pretty good box. I enjoy it. And I like that I got different things a lot in this one. And then at the back of the book, of the magazine, there's exclusive offers that you can also get, so you can save some money if you wanted something else. Baba Bar has a spend 50, get 20 off. After Spa has 30% off. So a lot of the companies that we got things from, or that they offered things from, you can save money. 25% off of that Humankind. So that actually makes it not so bad. If this was $18, but 25% off, that would be worth it. 30% off of Plush. 30% off of Mobile White products. Some, looks like mascara-y stuff, $30 off. I don't know, you can just cut from the cloth is 15% off. So yeah, it's kind of cool, neat stuff, good to check out. And that's that. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.